Hi, I'm Suzanne Cantor with Techlicious, and I'm here at CES 2019, and we have an exciting new oven technology from KitchenAid. It's our Smart Oven Plus. This comes in both a dual oven configuration, a single oven configuration, and also an oven and a microwave. So what's inside? What makes it so smart? Inside, you have this tray here, and right now we have the grill plan. It plugs in the back, and the oven is smart enough to know what kind of cooking surface is here. So the heater is underneath this grill pan. You'd slide that in, but there's also going to be a steamer and also a baking stone. So you can swap out whatever surface you want. So you can put in the steaming basket, the baking stone. You slide this back in here, and once you have it back in there, you can go to the recipe guide. And this will tell you how to be able to use any of those slide-in attachments. So if you're looking for a steaming recipe, it's going to walk you through those steps. So you're going to go through and say, pick out a recipe. It'll tell you how long it's supposed to cook. It'll walk you through the different steps. But you can also just tell it that you're cooking a certain type of meat, and it will give you a suggestion in terms of how long you should be cooking that chicken or roasting that pot roast. So it really helps you along with those processes. Now, later in the year, it's going to be able to hook into Yummly, so you're going to be able to have access to all those great recipes. It's not going to be able to give you recipes for these different attachments, but for your normal things like baking cookies and baking cakes and roasting chicken, you're going to be able to get all those great recipes and that step-by-step guidance from Yummly. So this is going to be out this year. It's going to be starting at $3,000, ranging up to $5,000 depending on the configuration.